Hello viewer, here I have taken a custom shape there, change the pattern and gradient into it. We will make it a separate and try to use as a unique shape there. So let's make another design to have it. So there we are, explore the different options. We have that one. I will change the angle there. Use an eraser tool. There we have to made it. I will remove the